Ka office jongka Deputy Commissioner Ribo District Shibanta Barakhe ka National Voters Day arjar ka khandai kan pelong ya ka Open Marathon haka arpusan terik ukela lengkot arjar ka khandai nadu kapor Prabajemen Step kaban sedang nadu Indoor Stadium Saiden bat an pukut pat ha Indoor Stadium Umlang Kedai ki khusnam nakabenta ki nongjob kan long san hajar lai hajar bat ar hajar nakabenta kan thei bat senrang kitu ki bodon ga jingtumu bani Shibanta kila ban lej ban register haka office jong District Sport Officer nongpo nadu ka khandru terik kelalengkot hadu ka arpsau terik kelalengkot hakipor terekam office ban kanmau burom ya kalengku dapsnem ke basau punyo halor ka jingyo ya ka jela ka bapura jong ka jela Meghalaya ka balayo haka arpui terik ukelalengkot khatnai spa nyo puar nakaliang ka office jong ka Deputy Commissioner Ribo District kalai simentalang haka ban rakhe ka ne ka singkrau dak bapelong ya ka jing rakhe hapo ka District Library nongpo Ribo District lasaki ya ka jing simenta ka bechit ham daki officer na kitna terekam sarkar baper lembar ki kena school na ki school paper jong ka than nyongpo hakane ka program ka kong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner Ribo District kalalong kum ka kongsan haka jinga don langru do ba TR Malai uba de advisor ka Ribo Darbar uba RB Shadab secretary ka Ribo Darbar lembar ki wig giru rangba nangta bat ki officer jong ka district lapun pu penping ru ya kane ka program nang ba ki jingrai ba ki jingshan balai simenta da ki khun samla balami khmat na ki school paper bat ka jingshat jong ka raj khat arlingdo nakaliang kinokren hakane ka program kila pempau halor ki mati balabu de kilong shwa ki balong kita kiru yale ki balai kunteng ban punyo ya ka jela ka bapura ya ka Meghalaya bat kila phariaru bakumno ngide ban sung sarong yala ka jong bat ban penek pensa ya ka riti ke dustur bat ban kentiu ya ka jela habaro kiliang
47 years back before we achieved the statehood our forest cover must be much more than what we see today. Trees are seen everywhere. Rivers are flowing with clear water. Our nalas are along the road have a space for water to flow. But what do we see now? Forests are depleted. Our rivers are getting dried up or filled up with waste. Our roadside nalas are being a dumping ground of plastic waste. This is what we see today. Seeing this, one should reflect upon who should stop this. Who should call the attention of those people who are polluting, littering our road or surrounding. When we question this, we look around. Who are supposed to call the attention of those people who litter around? The finger should point out towards myself. I may not be throwing litters, but I should be a person calling the attention of whoever I see that he is committing this. It is our duty to see that the aspiration of our leaders who has really brought us the full statehood should be fully achieved.
Make it personal. If you make it personal, pila dan le eki kam pala. Ndre la dan shim for granted. Kelam ai ke kelam soto ega jingwan jong takari. Balai ni ongkari. Ni ke kasing ende crunch pangkari ni ketik kam jingmat jing perkat. Bon ni ongkari jong ni. Hado ki jingwar ki bon ongkari ke jong ni kari pai me. Ni long very sentimental. Andre ni long emotional ro how to opor. Very emotional ki breu jong ni. Kaba bon sin issue snow tambangim le kapajak floy pa kata ka jing long emotional jong ni. Tena ta kata hang ni bon ha ki kena school ki tu nang kai ki bawan lam ye ki bangin pin im ya kata ka jing long ban thrang ban le ke ek babha tang ya la de simet handrai ni din perkhat dan ye ki para bril ki bai don lang bat kham tam ya ka gol hi para we kata ka ri jumi kum mang ji yo snow pon ni dang ya khna bat ka de hidup menta ba yo khon sinrang daki le nyam ki jer keteng si alai tali ki khnam de ne na ong tu ki khnam ke de nam ta kan thei ro Nomor balai ba kenang benengkong kertoya lade. Buat sen menta ni siam ba lada pipim da pim tikke lade da pim kitke lade pim nak ban tikke ya ke yang sen jong pim nak ban tikke keri jong pi. Nang takada kuan sumni ka buksia babon ki kena ni ban ong ba ni de ban tikke lade ni de ban ie che lade da pi ie lade pi perkhat kumno ban pen internet ya ka future la jong ka bomot ba ka hiar kum tu but kecing pen internet ya ka live la jong ka reflect ya pi but penjuru ya ki bayajan but pi but lada pi internet ki next person jong pi ki internet temat kari ka than jong ni ka long kari ka bi internet ndai lada ni long burden lada mangi ni long kita ki baca itu kita ba long selfish ti kata hi kan wan rai ka jong long negative ni ka jai penjuru jong ni ti ngak sim yang ka buk serang ni ngak wa ki ni kon jong ni bakin long ki bakit kia ki batrish tam 3 minit ken mau yo knam baning kong ban kit kia so la de nang to sa tin sa da poi ka age jong pi tin sa dan la ka jong ka yeng ka sem bat hadin kata da labyang ka takarta labyang kata ka yeng ka jong pi pinaban kit ka snong ka tha